Akshita Saxena, student of Lovely Professional University. My registration number is 12112340. My roll number is X2103A99. My section is X2103. This assignment is given by Dr. Mohammad Tanveer Khan sir. I am here to tell you about field event. Field event includes two types of event. First is throwing events, second is jumping events. Jumping events include long jump, high jump, triple jump and pole vault. And throwing events include hammer throw, javelin throw, shot put, discus throw. Field events are divided into two sections, that is, throwing events and jumping events. First, we will talk about throwing events. Throwing events include javelin throw, discus throw, hammer throw, and shot put. And on other side, jumping events include high jump, long jump, triple jump, and pole vault. First, we will talk about long jump measurement. First is takeoff board. The takeoff board shall be rectangular, made of wood or other suitable rigid material, in which the spikes of an athlete's shoe will grab and not skid. It shall be wide. The length of takeoff board is 1.22 meter, width is 0.2 meter, and thickness is 0.10 meter. Second, runway. It shall be marked by white lines 50 mm in width, length 40 meter to 45 meter, width 1.22 meter. Third, plastic indicator board. The plastic indicator board shall consist of a rigid board made of wood or any other suitable material. The length of plastic indicator board is 1.22 meter, width 10 meter, height 7 mm. The angle of indicator is 90 degree. Fourth, landing area. The landing area should be filled with soft dump sand. The player have to jump from takeoff line. The distance between takeoff line to landing pit is 1 to 3 meter. The sand must be 50 centimeter deep. Second, high jump. Landing area. The length of landing area is 5 meter, width is 3 meter, and height is 1 meter. Runway shall be 15 meter to 16 meter. Post. Between two posts, the distance is 4 meter to 4.04 meter. The crossbars support shall be flat and rectangular, 40 mm wide and 60 mm long. Crossbars. The length of crossbars are 4 meter, weight 2 kg and diameter are 30 mm. The crossbar shall be made of fiberglass or other suitable material but not metal. Crossbar consists 3 parts. Third, triple jump. Triple and long jump are done on a same pit. Landing area. The length of landing area is 9 meter. Width is 2.75 meter to 3 meter. 50 centimeter deep sand. Runway The length of runway is 40 to 45 meter. Width is 1.22 meter. Takeoff board. In triple jump, takeoff board for women and men are different. For women, 11 meter and for men, 13 meter. Fourth, pole vault. Landing area. The length of landing area and width of landing area are same, that is 6 meter. In international competition, the landing area shall be not smaller than 6 meter long, 6 meter wide and 0.8 meter high. For other competition, the landing area should measure not less than 5 meter long, 5 meter wide and 0.8 meter high. In pole vault, planting box is also known as a stop box. Landing area is about 10 to 15 centimeter. Angle is 45 degree. Runway length 40 to 45 meter. Width 1.22 meter. Runway line white color. Thickness 5 centimeter. Planting box is made of metallic. Planting box is used for takeoff. The length of planting box is 1.084 meter. Width is 0.408 meter from back and from front 0.60 meter. Let's talk about rules and skills of the game. First, high jump. The first rule is an athlete shall take off from 1 foot. Second, players can accept the challenge or may pass it. Third, jumping height is decided by the chief guest before the competition begins. The referee or the chef judge shall announce the highest or crossbar. Long jump. Takeoff must behind a line. Second, all measurements are done perpendicularly to the takeoff point. Third, after the athlete jumps, measurement is done from the nearest point that has touched the takeoff point. Jump. The triple jump shall consist of a hop, a step and a jump in that order. Second, it shall not be considered a failure if an athlete while jumping touches the ground with the slipping line. Third, if an athlete touches the white lines or the ground outside between the takeoff and the landing area, it's not found in triple jump. Fourth, pole vault. At any particular height, more than 3 trials are allowed. Second, after 3 consecutive failures in trial, the athlete is automatically removed from the tournament. Third, the weight of each competitor verified by the coach must be recorded on the scanning from next to their name.